Hey, this video here is to assist you guys with the removal of the flywheel on a Cat 3408E or a Cat 3412E engine. The tools you guys are going to need is, here's a couple of the part numbers. This bracket assembly is a fabricated tool 1341. You have to make that tool in order to get the flywheel out. You can contact Cat and they can give you the schematics on it, and you use the bolts 1 Bravo 3623 to mount that bracket on, and then you're going to use these guide bolts here, which you can make them, but these 8 Bravo 7552 work the same way. Saves you some time to try to make fabricated tool. We're going to replace the rear main in frame, so this is on a Cat 988F. As you can see, these are the forcing bolts part number I gave you that they say you need to make special. We installed the tool. As you can see, it's a piece of round welded onto a 3/8 inch bar, and then you go ahead and mount it here as so. Well, the directions tell you to take off 6 bolts, so you take off 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 under here, 5, and then you can take the remainder of these off. Once you take these off, then you mount your tool on the special tool that you made, and then you go ahead and remove the final bolts here on the bottom of the flywheel. And then I'm going to hand it over to him. Once you got the tool installed, you're able to wiggle the flywheel, and now the flywheel will sit on the tool, as you can see. So when you're going in to put the flywheel back in, it's gonna line up straight and perfect with the crankshaft, so you don't damage the seal. And then what we'll do is go ahead and remove these bolts for the tooling. What's that socket? We're gonna remove these bolts for this tooling. As you see, this is a tool that Cat has you fabricate. Our fabricator made it a little bit bigger, so that's why we had to use these washers. But as you can see, it's about a 3/4 inch. I think they call it FBT2, and it's about 1 1/8 inch thick, with a piece of 3/8 bar tack welded in each corner here. And then actually these holes should be center, so then it won't cause damage like this. But like I said, we had it fabricated, but they didn't follow the specs on it from the center to center, so we ended up having to use these. But you need this to go ahead and see how it matches up with the crankshaft, and it allows you to pull it out. And you can see the flywheel now is sitting on our bolts, on our studs, and all we're gonna do is pull it out and hook it up to the crane and pull it out. So now there's a YouTube video of how to pull the flywheel, and then we'll go ahead with part 2 on doing the rear main seal. But you need this tool with those other part numbers that we gave you. And as you can see, the flywheel's free. You go ahead and pull it out. Remember, this flywheel weighs about 200 pounds, so don't try to pull it out by yourself. That's all.